I told you in this problem that we were actually going to look at multiple approaches to this. So let me show you one other way that we could figure out what our factor was. In addition to looking at how values change from one f of t value to the next, we could also pick a specific point that we know to be true and try to figure out what that growth factor is. If we take our basic formula that says our y value is equal to whatever our initial value is times our growth factor to the power of time, let's fill in what we know. We know that, let's pick this point right here. I don't want to pick the starting point. I could have picked the first point, or I could have picked the second point, or any point. It doesn't really matter as much. One of these 2 points would be good though, because we know for sure that these are like whole numbers because they're right in the center. They're not off the lines. And so either one of these. So if we do, actually, you know what? Probably this first one would be a good one instead. You know what? Let's use that one. Let's use that one right there. So we know that our y value is 60. Our initial value is 80. We're looking for our b value, and we know our t value is 1. And we know that anything raised to the 1 power is just whatever that thing is. So this is the same thing as 60 equals 80 times b. And if we divide both sides by 80, now these will cancel out, and our b value will be equal to 60 over 80, which is, let's get that out of there, 60 divided by 80, we did that earlier, 0.75. That's another way you could have figured out the growth factor.